The two main stars for Mitsubishi's launch was one concept and one car that we've announced many times that is going to come out in the Philippines. Let's talk about the one car that isn't going to come out first, which is the DX. Which is essentially a Delica or Delica, depending on how you say it, but I say Delica. It's a Delica concept vehicle. So the Delica was actually an MPV. Now this is a very robust MPV in the sense that it's got an all-wheel drive system, it's got a panoramic roof, it's probably got autonomous driving because it does have artificial intelligence inside the automobile. It doesn't seat as many as you'd think because it's only a 6-seater, but that's because it's actually so comfortable inside. And if you check the ground clearance, it is redonkulous. They designed that in a manner because they figured that anyone that wants to go on an adventure will obviously need ground clearance, which is true. And anybody that drives in Metro Manila knows that we definitely need ground clearance. Anyway, it is a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Now, I did ask, why isn't it a battery electric vehicle? And they figured because the amount of distance that you want to put between you and the city inside this thing is probably quite large, and the last thing that they want you to have is range anxiety, which I completely understand. It's got other features too, like a super all-wheel drive system. I don't even know what exactly that means. I just know it's quite awesome. Now, whether this car is actually going to go into production or not, I wish it does. Maybe a lower variant of it will. And will it ever come to the Philippines? That's something that unfortunately I can't answer. What I can answer is what the Triton is going to be coming, because as everybody knows, that's actually going to come out on the 25th of January, or rather, the official launch is the 26th. Until the 25th, you can reserve and actually get good prices and some pretty good promos at it. So the Triton is here in the flesh, and I finally saw it, and it actually looks pretty darn good in AutoDeal orange, no less. It's got some piano black plastics outside, yes, a few on the inside, but really not enough to deter me from the fact that it looks absolutely great. It's very robust, and it's got some new design language that Mitsubishi is trying to put in there, but the shield is very much, you can still very much tell that it's Mitsubishi. So they haven't really strayed too far from what it is that they want to give out. Now, it's a great addition because now it's like what Mitsubishi is trying to say is that their pickup truck is back. And the fact that they've also changed the name from Strada back to Triton, and I say back to Triton because that's exactly what it is in the beginning, it feels like it's a more robust vehicle. Then, as previously mentioned, there's about 201 horses in there, 470 Newton meters of torque, and the price in the Philippines starts at just above 1,140,000 Philippine pesos, with the top-of-the-line athlete below 2 million. It's about 1,900,000 plus Philippine, 1,900,000 plus Philippine pesos. Sorry. A little bit too much laway in there. But so anyway, you can make those reservations, but more importantly, it's the fact that I like it because it makes it's a comeback of some sort for Mitsubishi, and that the pickup truck is here to stay. As much fun as it has been here in Japan, where I am completely enjoying myself and the weather, and Jack is roaming the streets, just going everywhere like a kid in a candy store, we also can't wait to go back home, because when we do, it brings us that much closer to driving this in the flesh on our roads. And we can't wait to tell you what that is like on our next Behind the Wheel, hopefully sometime soon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you guys soon.